Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 9. Plants that inhabit a rainforest are not found in a wetland. Explain. क्या होता है, जो प्लांट्स हैं जो इनहैबिट करते हैं रेन फॉरेस्ट को, दे आर नॉट फाउंड इन वेटलैंड बिकॉज they are not adapted to survive in that condition. That condition is aquatic or wetlands. Plants are conformers or stenothermals. They cannot maintain constant internal environment or temperature. Osmotic concentration जो है body fluid की affect करती है kinetics of enzymes को through basal metabolism or activity and other physiological functions of the organism. So क्यों नहीं कर पाता वहां पे? Because वो adapted नहीं है उस condition के. This was question number 9.